Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Oh, Hailey's turn.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
So, love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your special day. Birthday to you. Happy here to say. May all your dreams come true. In birthday single way. Happy birthday. You shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
We miss you. We'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Eric. God bless. Take care po.
HBD. Happy birthday, Eric.
Happy birthday, Pre Eric. Ingat. God bless. Kita-kits.
Happy birthday! Ito pala si Lucho, oh. Ano sabihin mo?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Pre, magpakabait ka na ha. Tsaka, bawas-bawasan mo na yung pag-iinom mo. Baka mahirapan tayo humabol sa bata. Ingat kayo dyan, pati ni Joyce, tsaka ni Hailey.
Eric, happy birthday. Bago ka na, pre. Love you.
Happy birthday, Eric. 40 years old ka na, pakabait ka na, baby, ha? I hope ako lang yung one true love. I miss you.
Happy birthday po, Sir Eric. Wish ko po sana magbago ka na po. And mas mabait ka kaysa sa akin. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Eric. I wish you good health and I pray na maging successful at ng mga plans mo sa buhay and also enjoy your day with your family. We miss you. Miss ko na rin yung roasted pork mo. Yun lang. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan and we'll see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Eric. I pray na mas lalo ka pang i-bless ni Lord. Salamat sa pagiging blessing mo sa buhay namin ni Anne. Especially sa akin, nagpe-prepare ako ng OET. Isa ka sa mga taong tumulong sa akin talaga para matupad yung pangarap namin na magkasama dito. So, I pray na ngayong birthday mo, mas lalo maging happy at maging fruitful at maging successful yung buhay mo at ibigay ni Lord yung desire ng puso mo. So, kahit di tayo nagkikita madalas, di tayo nagkakausap, syempre, alam mo naman na love na love kita. At kita tayo ulit soon pag bumisita kami dyan sa Singapore. Nung nakaraan, naantala yung ating banding, pero hopefully next time we'll have more time para tayo mag-enjoy. So, marami ding salamat. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung pagpe-prepare mo. Happy birthday, Brad. And God bless you. See you soon.
Happy 35th birthday, Sir Eric. Enjoy your day. God bless. Cheers. Ingat dyan sa SG.
Happy birthday, Tita Harry.
Happy birthday, Eric. Alam kong magiging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko is good health at mas maraming blessings sa'yo at sa kay Joyce. At lagi kayo mag-iingat dalawa. Love you, pare.
Brad, happy birthday nga pala. And more birthdays to come sa'yo. Pasensyahan mo na pare at hindi ako makapunta ng birthday mo gawa ng hindi na-grant yung request nating leave eh. Pero bawi na lang tayo sa susunod. Tayuhin na lang kita dyan sa inyo. And syempre yung birthday mo, ang wish ko sa'yo is more blessings, happiness, prosperity, at syempre health sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. And papangita pa naman tayo susunod eh. So bawi na lang tayo din. Okay? For now, enjoy your birthday. And itagay mo na lang ako. Dapat ang tagay mo, dalawa. Para sa akin yung isa. I think that's all. Again, happy birthday, Brad. Enjoy.
Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na, hindi na tayo masyadong nakikita tatlo ni Jaytan. Alam mo naman, sobrang busy ko na sa love life, sa career, sa pictorial, yung mga guesting pa, photoshoot. May kumpanya pa ako na si Kaso, yung empleyado ko hindi ko pwede maiwan. So, happy birthday, ingat ka palagi, and God bless you more. Bye. Ay, ako pa rin pinakagwapo sa grupo natin. Ingat ka.
Hi, Harry. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, pare. Enjoy your day.
Sayang, bawi kami eh. Bawi kami.
Pagbalik na lang. Love you.
Hi, Eric. How are you? This is Brian, your old Irish buddy from Angmokio. Hope you're keeping well, and I hope you have a really great day for your 35th birthday. Have a few drinks, enjoy yourself, and hopefully I'll see you again next time I'm in Singapore.
Hello, Harry.
Hello, Eric.
How are you?
How are you?
Hope you are fine.
Fine.
You take care of yourself. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
and God bless you.
God always bless you.
Yes, be wild,
Be well.
and as you are in Tan Tock Seng,
Yes.
be good,
Be good.
be a good boy, not be a good girl. Okay,
Bitch.
bitch.
Hi, Eric.
Happy birthday.
It's been a while since we last saw you, but we hope that you have a great one this year together with your family.
Yes.
We are actually currently in KL. I wanted to take a video of us in Brunei, but we were having such a good time we forgot. But wishing you all the best. Hope we get to see each other soon.
Yes.
Hope we get to have some drinks together after our baby comes.
Definitely.
So yeah, take care, and we love you and Joyce and the whole family. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey Eric, happy birthday. We are officially getting older, so I hope you have a great celebration for the entire week, and may you have a wonderful time with your family, your loved ones, and your friends. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care.
Hi brother, happy birthday. Good luck sa work, tsaka enjoy your day. Tapos kiss mo na rin ako kay Hailey.
Hi, Hale. Happy birthday. Karaoke soon.
Bye, Brad.
Hi, Eric. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Enjoy.
Eric, happy birthday. Pre, more birthday to come. Tapos, stay healthy and take care of yourself lang. Yun lang. Good luck. Good luck sa life.
Yo, parang Eric, what's up? Happy birthday, tol. And ingat ka dyan palagi. Tapos, sana malasing mo sila. And bakasyon ka na dito para makapag-inom na tayo. Ingat pre, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo, more blessings sa'yo at saka sa family mo. Enjoy your celebration. Ingat ka palagi. Magbago ka na.
Happy birthday nga pala kay paring Eric. Sana magpakabait ka na. Pero joke lang, mabait talaga yan. Yan lang yung isa sa mga tunay naming kaibigan. Magbago ka na, pre. From Shanghai Boys.
Bulaga. Hey, her, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo is more blessing and good health. And silang sa walwal dahil last time tayo nagkita, naging ano ka, floor mat ka. So, munti kang pamapakan ni Papa Jokes yung fatty liver mo. Buti na napag-bunny up siya. So anyway, happy birthday and enjoy. From Shanghai Boys. Ingat.
Yo, Eric, happy birthday. Long time no see. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Peace out.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Daddy!
We love you!
We love you!
Mama Chup Chup!
Mama Chup Chup!
Mwah!
Mwah!